bought this house as a weekend house. We were living in the city and we thought it was a perfect place to spend our weekends. And we ended up living up here full time. In our search, it was very challenging to find a home that, had all the specifications of what we wanted.
Lindsay and I go back about a couple of years, and I met her when she was in the city with one child, and she was pregnant with her second, and she said, I bought this amazing house in Pound Ridge and I need your help with it.
When we first hired Garrow, we were very overwhelmed with the vast white walls. It was a blank canvas and it was very well done, but it was overwhelming and I needed help with color, and Garrow is the color expert.
Just the way the rooms were sited was amazing. The way every single room is just drenched in sunlight, and that was the most appealing thing to me. People don't realize that, in decorating, when you add a color to the walls, you automatically decorate a room. And it's much more difficult to decorate a white room than it is to decorate a room that has a color on the walls.
It was a great process with Garrow because he has a very sophisticated touch to everything he does, but this was a country house for us and we wanted it to feel casual, and it was a fun process to do the blending of the two sentiments. One of my favorite things about the house is the kitchen with the proximity to the family room. They can be in there playing or doing anything they want, and I'm in the kitchen cooking, and they can be outside and I can see them while we all are sitting there looking at this beautiful lake. It's the most peaceful place to be. That's where we spend most of our time.
To define the architecture of the house, from the outside it really is a true Adirondacks. It has beautiful charm, it's rustic, it's vernacular. It speaks the language of the country. On the inside is a little bit more formal. We put in a lot of wainscot, a lot of paneling. That was also because we had such great voluminous rooms, and I felt like some of the rooms needed to be anchored by some of the architecture.
And this house is on almost 10 acres. The topography is all usable with this beautiful lake and this beautiful vista. The house itself is exquisitely done. Every room brings the outside in. You feel like you're in nature, and the finishes are exactly what we wanted.